Hi, I just want to share with you this traditional cooking rice. Yeah, it's better than those newer cooking rice. It's completely stainless steel. Stainless steel. See, I'm making cooking rice. Completely stainless steel. Okay, 3116. Stainless steel. Cooking rice. Much more healthy option. I recommend you to get this kind of stainless steel cooking rice for your health. Instead of those a bit of rubble kind of nowadays it's a bit of rubble-ish kind of cooking rice which I don't like. It's unhealthy. Okay, get a stainless steel cooking rice. It's much more healthy. Okay, but this brand no more sell, but it's very rare to buy. But if you have, you can see and buy online. Search for it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye.